2017 Jeep Renegade Latitude. Just gonna show you where is the cabin air filter. How to remove it. So I already started the work. You have to remove this cover right here. First thing, the side cover. There's one screw right here, and then you remove the 3 screws down here. See them that holds the glove compartment. There are 3 screws. You remove them. They're Torx, and the size is just make sure what size I used. Can you see it? Okay, it's 25. It's too shiny here, but 25 Torx. Okay, so that's the same size for all of them. So very much, and there are 3 screws right here. See, and there's 1 here, 2, and a 3 on the top. So the whole thing comes off. You just have to pry it a little bit because of this little clip right here. There's 3 of them right here. Okay, so this comes down, and then you can remove this connector here, so the glove compartment come all together. Just put it on the side here. So that's the whole glove compartment. All right, and the glove, the cabin air filter is right there. Let me just remove it. You need a Phillips. Remove that 1 screw. It's right here, and then this is the cover. This is the cabin air filter. It's right here. So you could just hold it like this, and look how much dirt coming out of it. I have to vacuum all this stuff. This is the cabin air filter. Make sure you change this, and I'm gonna clean some of the stuff there. I'm just gonna vacuum it, see whatever left. See everything here. So here is more. It's in daylight. This is the cabin air filter. Very filthy. At least 3-4 years this has never been changed. You can see how much leaves there. Alright, so this is the location of it. Just make sure you notice the direction of the airflow. Most of the time is down to your feet, so you can see the arrow. Make sure you put it in the same direction. Okay, so here is the glove compartment. The 3 screws on the top, 3 screws on the bottom, and 1 screw here on the side. That's how we get it out, and that's the location right there. Thank you for watching.